So today, Anthony, what we have here?
A 3D printer.
Ender 3 version 2. So let's unboxing, and we will assemble this thing. Let's find out. Already was open. Let's find out. Tommy, check on the camera if we have a good vision on that. So we're opening a box. In a box we have some kind of stuff here. Scraper. It's not necessary now. Some kind of filament. We already ordered it. 2 spools, 2 rolls of filament, black and white for now. We will test it. Anthony is sitting sometimes on the blender, so he's got some 3D skills. Have you, Tommy?
Sort of.
Yeah, we'll find out what programs we have to, what software we will have to use on this one. Yeah, and we will do that today instead of a gaming. Okay, some stuff like some spanners, screwdriver probably to assemble that. Yeah, Tony?
Yep.
Is that a main rail? Probably some rails. Yeah, and we have a bottom of it where we have a table and the main mechanism. I didn't went any further down. Don't know if there's more things there. After say service card. Everything looks nice. Hopefully it will work nice and we will be able to operate this,
3D model.
because the whole purpose of that is making our life easier in making some models or prototypes. Yeah, let's have a look. Okay, Tommy, we have to get the camera somewhere. It's not too much space in our little garage. Let's get things out of a box. We have instruction. Yeah, instruction is. Oh, where are you, my camera operator? Instruction is in a few languages. First page is English. To our dear customers.
Yep.
Yeah. To our dear users. Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you for choosing Creality 3D products. Okay, let's go a little bit further. You with high quality services. If you encounter any issues or have any. Okay. All right. So we have a list of parts here. Alright, let's move on with some assembling. Maybe a little bit higher. Okay. Set. Install the Z-axis limit switch and the Z-axis profile.
Yeah, I
Which
think
one
that's
is the
good.
Z-axis? Display. The head for a filament, I think. Okay. Let's get this started. So this is the
Moving board.
moving board chassis module number 1. Okay, now so them both will be a Z-axis. It's the limit switch. Tu także było widać. Anthony, it's not wall. It's much more here. Yeah? Box empty. T-rod. So this is a T-rod. Okay. So tools on, yes, you have some kind of cutters.
Look for washing the debris
I
off.
think it's for cleaning. That's the needle.
Yeah.
See? Can you see it?
No, not really. It's not in. You can see, but it's not in. Focus.
Alright. Doesn't matter. Let's start is.
From the thingy.
Alright, okay. From the stand. Okay. So there's the rest of the parts which we need here. So it's here. This is a USB memory stick. There. That's the filament. That's the stoppers. Install the Z-axis. Scrub that. Can't find Z-axis limit switch because that's the Z-axis. Z-axis limit switch. This is it. So you have a names on some of them. Okay. will be here, yeah?
Yep.
Somewhere. I don't know which one is the Z-axis profile, right? Well, right and left. Which one is right? Which one's left?
I don't know what it says.
Yeah, both different. Got a different hose pattern. You see?
Yeah.
Now, on this crap, in this crap, the instruction, you can't see which one is which. It's mad bullshit. And it wasn't on a package which one is left or right. Can you see any signs on it? This is Grand Tree upper profile and X-axis profile, and still you have no anything on it.
Yep.
Because in instruction you have Z-axis profile left, Z-axis profile right, and in a practical way they are different, as you see here. One of them have a hole, two holes on the top or bottom, another one on the sides.
Hang on, stop around the size. Maybe it's gonna say
Same size, that's the Z-axis, which going up and down, so it needs to be same antenna. So we haven't got experience, so we will use a little bit of help from Creality. Hopefully that will work. Let's find out how it's going. A ciebie też, a trzecie
Nie trzeba.
nagrywać. Tu będziesz musiał jakoś ten... no records. Okay. Aha, okej. Manuals unboxing. Robiliście, kurwa. Support.
Apparently Black Friday was last Friday.
Check.
The new Creality Ender 3 V2. In this
So, because our website with Creality is not really reachable with instructions, we went to YouTube videos. Probably it will be more useful than a Creality website. Okay, let us have a look what's going on. That's the one assembly and the assembly guide with tips and tricks. Let's find out how it's going.
this video, we will also give you several want to know more, so stay tuned. Guys, welcome to subscribe video.
It's not. Oh,
That
it
is-
is actually a video. It is having a video.
The printer. Carriage. A couple of more metal That's all that to check the power supply.
Which one's on which side?
along the length will be installed on the right side. And
Okay.
then to open the panel, you need to remove these 3 screws. And here's the power supply. It's a 24 volt and 14.6 amp manual power supply.
Made in China.
Okay, we have all the parts. Let's start the assembly. Take the two 20x40 profiles and check the holes. One has a couple of holes along the length, while the other has a couple of holes near the edge.
Roy Repto, thank you for
To
explanation.
secure them, you
Which
will
is
need
missing
4
in the instruction, I
M5x45
think.
screws.
Maybe I'm blind or deaf and I can't see where is explanation in instruction, which one is left or right, because as you see here, it looks like left and right same. Further in instruction, install Z-axis limit switch and align it with the profile. Alrighty. And now you have to find out which one is left, which one's right. That's super cool. So after explanation, which one is left or right, probably we can continue using this fantastic manual provided by the Creality.
I think we should just keep the video on just in case. You never know, this book's full of surprises.
Yes, we keep in a video, Tony. It's useful, but let's try to lay on the instructions, yeah? So
Right.
now,
We have to flip it over and
we
install
know right side when you're facing your
the name, Endo.
front of a
Yeah.
printer. This is the way you will install it, yeah?
Yep.
Just take it on the side and then bolts in. Not really comfy, but
And don't tighten them yet.
yes, I will not. Where's Allen key? Probably on the laptop. Anthony, on the laptop. Get all the tools out. So this is a. Would you mind? Okay. A bit further. Come on. Give it a tight. You can go all the way in and then loosen it. Now, that's all the way in. Now loosen it 110, yeah, and look here, you can go like that. See? Use your thumb all the way and loosen it. It's loose. All right. This display should be in a safer place. And this thing as well, yep. Alrighty. So now turn for okay. With the bolts inside the table, yeah? With a holes, so forgive me, holes inside the table, because you have a hose on the one side. From a video, it's showing where hose going, yeah? In instruction they say install the limit first, but I think we can slide limit bolts from the top. We find out in a second. In video we say slightly bit different instruction to assembly. That will be a long assembly thing, I think.
Ish. Thanks to our fantastic manual.
You know, it's first time we're doing it, but it should be more obvious in the instruction what you should install on which side. Especially both of them have a different hole pattern, so that's really important. But who cares, yeah? Product was sold, who cares? Alright, so install Z access limit switch and align it with the profile. So that was this thing, yeah?
Yeah.
It's already have slots inside tied onto it, yeah? Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. So on which side? It's something that should go this way. So we can slide it. Yep. Oh, that's strange. It came off. Alrighty. So I will tight on a bit more. It says switch, Anthony, you see?
Yep.
Bang, bang. So once head going down, press this button. It's a momentary button. Whole printer should stop, like a safety thing. I think it should be all the way down, so leave it all the way down here. Probably we will adjust that in the future, so give it a little tight and let's go further. Okay, what's the next step? Install the pneumatic joints, XC shaft module and the timing belt. Okay, so timing belt here. Looks nice. Little tiny timing belt.
I wonder how long it lasts.
Sure, we find out. Depends from the rubber. There's no any sign like on the timing belts in our engines. But we'll find out. Okay, a little bit of mess we have here. Shall we come back to a video?
I don't know.
Maybe that's the good thing to watch the video in whole and then come back to assembly in accordance to this manual. Yeah.
So after some watching,
Yeah, probably we didn't finish watching yet. We will use this instruction because it's much better than manual provided. Luckily we have YouTube and internet, so it's much easier to now we're assembling XE shaft module, pneumatic joints, XE shaft module and timing belt. That's what's called in instruction. I'm struggling a bit to get this bolt inside, but should be already. Yeah, it's already there. Now next one. Come on, pushed into this hole and I grab with I put it. Luckily, I have a little helping hands. Yeah. Lol.
LOL. Oh.
So this thing sorted.
Now does it move? Because it's supposed to move.
It's not will move here. It will move here, this way.
Okay.
Yep.
Yep.
So next step is assembly right side on it.
Yeah, the right side should have. Where's that thing?
Right
Where's the
side.
rail one? Rail. There's so much black stuff in it. Can't find it.
It's here.
Oh. Blind.
Okay. And as you see here, is it visible on the camera, Tony?
Yep.
So you have a front and rear rear part of this part. You have a front and rear of this shaft beam. So now we go in with sorry, this way.
So now what we're doing is passing the belt through the Z axis, yeah?
Yes.
Z axis motor.
XE axis, Z axis. Hold on, yeah, that will be Z, I think. Okay. Why is it 10 like that? Okay. All right, it's feeded through, and it's not aligned on a gear. It is now. Alrighty. What about tensioner now?
So the belt
Okay.
tensioner. Right.
We went too far installing this carriage. Because you have to slide in head, moving head, yeah, first.
Motorhead.
Motor
Printing
head.
head, sorry.
Printing head. So I closed the way to get it there. But yeah, at least we know that. Like you see, timing belt is feeded through.
Yep.
Okay, Tony, can you be on the camera?
I am trying to.
Yeah. Try
It's just
better.
you're moving around
Try
all
better.
the time
Yeah.
instead of being in
But you
one
are the
place.
cameraman here. Okay, let's jump to another episode of instruction video, which is really useful, like I said, more useful than this crap, paper crap, which we have as an instruction. Okay, Tony, can you secure this thing? So now we're feeding a belt inside a printing head. Yep, this way.
I think it will be just easier going under.
Yeah, you have to go under, but you have to slide it in here. You see? Not really sure. Slide it in here. Slide it in here, and then whole belt going around the motor. This motor under, probably inside the rail, like it's here. So we have to turn around and push it under.
I can do that. if you want to.
Yeah, try to. If you can't, use our tweezers. one which you lost after I bought it.
Never.
Okay. Turn around that belt first before you feed it through. Just take the whole belt. Stop.
Yep, take the whole
Take
belt
the
on.
whole belt, straighten it, and then I will help you like that. Yeah. I will keep this belt a little bit tighten. Now you can push it through with something.
I'm gonna just take it.
Now pull it same way. You have a tweezers here. Have a look.
Yeah, I can see.
I'm not sure if you can see.
You
Just
gonna
take a
actually-
tweezers, slide from the other side.
I'm gonna take the
Move
sleeves.
ahead a little bit. Move ahead, forward, left. Move ahead,
Whoa.
left, head. Printing head, move. Move, yes, simple. And now you can grab with tweezers, yes?
Yeah.
Simple. Have a look. It's
Okay.
going under.
Next,
Pull it all the way, because that's gonna be more convenient for us. Next is a tensioner. Not really like that. Hold on. Okay, so Tony fitted belt through the
Tensioner.
movable part of tensioner, because that's the tensioner as well. Now I'm securing the belt into a head. Yes.
Yep.
That will be a little bit tricky, I think. Maybe no. You have to get in here. Oh, wrong direction. Wrong orientation. Now should be all right. Okay. So we have a
tensioner right here.
tension right here, and then we're going further.
So you have to do that.
Hold on, let me have a look which way, Anthony.
What?
We have to find out which way tensioner is going. So I did assemble it a printing head all the way. So now we already changed that. Yep.
Yep.
It's a bit annoying, but from other side, Anthony, we learning on it, and
And the good thing about it, we built it once again.
yes, we're building it once again. Really important thing for me to spend more time building that once again. But yeah. Okay.
I think that's
Now,
what they want you.
okay, Tony,
Yeah.
hold this rail for me. I ask you to hold this rail for
Yeah.
me. This way. Hold this rail. Pull belt. Yes, we have a belt to pull it out. Now what we're doing next? Taking a belt through the tensioner.
Belt tensioner.
Okay. Taking through the tensioner, which is not really easy. It is really easy. Everything's easy on this printer to assemble. Especially when you're doing that first time. Yeah. Now the thing is, we have to pay attention to details and follow a good video like we follow in this one. I can't say it's bad, it's really good, that video. We find out this video, yeah? And it's really helpful. Okay, so now we can hook it up our belt here.
Yep.
Okay, so now I think now we have everything in a proper directions. Do you think, Tony?
Yeah. So now
We have a
need
tensioner.
to-
We have to take a rail on the other side, yes?
Off the side.
Here, because that's the designed point. Is it visible on the camera, Tony, the
visible.
operator?
You were saying.
bigger hole going in here.
No, because the rails go here. See?
Anthony,
What?
Anthony, use your brain, please. Have a look. That needs to be aligned on the wall.
Oh, that's the motor, because I looked
Yes,
at
that's the motor. Just use your eyes, please. Okay, and now we can assembling this front bolt, yep, a bit, and then hold on. Let's do a one thing in a one time.
At a time.
Okay, it's gonna be easier, especially with the small stuff like that. Now we can put on tensioner cover on it. Why is it not going like it should? It should. Maybe it should go different
No.
all the way.
I don't think
This
so.
way. No, you have a groove here, you see,
Yeah.
and you have some. That's strange. This way. No.
Okay, because it has to be either this side or that side.
Yeah, you're right. All right, it is a little bit embarrassing, like Tony said, but this thing got some grooves in here which have to go on it. Yeah, so this definitely this side's going on this side of a rail. Now we have to in some way push this thing in. I did struggle to get the tensioner back into this box, because there is only one position this thing can get into. Can you record that from your hand? Maybe this way. You can't push this thing that way. That was that way. I thought them grooves gonna fit here, but it's not. So you have to remember how you're taking off. So now we're going back to feed our belt through the tensioner. Leave it tensioner like it is. Apply belt to a head, to a printing head, and slide in our tensioner cover. Now have to take an inner bolt. Okay, it's going in. Alright, so this process sorted. This process is sorted, Tony.
Yeah, I know. Keep it going. So we're going to show what you have to do, because it's basically a tutorial and an unboxing review.
So next we get into a top profile. Our Z, hold on, this is a Z, this is an X, and the Y axis is this table.
Yep.
Yeah, bench is moving as the Y axis, that's the X, yeah?
Yep.
Yes. So now, what we doing?
Installing this
Top
bar.
bar on the top of it. So Anthony, let's carry on with it.
Is in there.
Yeah, give it a finger tight. And I'll do that this side, okay?
Okay.
Oh, it's going too far. All right.
Too small.
Too small.
Too big, sorry. That's too
No.
small.
You have to take a ton. This is the one. You have to fit it properly. I know it's not an X, triangle and the square
No,
like on a joypad, but yeah.
no, because there's
You're actually using a bar stool, which is dangerous. That's not a health and safety, Tony. We're still using a tutorial from a YouTube.
well, I'm
I
not in
concept-
police, so you
It's
don't
really,
need to really care
it's
about
really
that, so-
useful. It's really useful. Thank you for this tutorial. It's really helpful. Don't tie them too much, yeah? Okay, let me do that this side. Get out from this thing. So this is the thing. 3, 2, 1, action. So now we're installing a Z-axis motor, which is this one.
Yeah.
Visible? So it's going in here. Where bolts are?
That's the bolt.
It's only one. Where's another one?
No bolt.
Oh, that's strange. Let's find out in our tutorial. Because of course there's nothing here. It's a crap. Oh my god, it's a crap.
The crappiest version.
Actually, you can grab this book. This quick guide. Yes, it's a quick installation guide. And what you can do, can you follow this?
Yeah.
You can. That's the best tutorial for that. Open up, skip. This is it. This is very important thing. That motor needs to lay directly flat on this rail. If it's not, we have to try to deassemble that. You have a countersink bolts for it, and I think it is flat. It's not going up or down. Let me lose this a little bit. It's not really easy to get a Allen key inside this countersink bolt, but yeah, you can. Okay. It looks flat. Alright.
So now we will be installing the motor. Not the motor, the display.
Display. So finally we get to that point. So you got shape here
Yep.
and shape in here, yeah?
Yep.
Sliding in. And you're sliding in on the pins.
And then where's the cable? I think that's
What
going to be
about
the
this
cable.
one? What about this one here?
Or maybe that one. I don't know. It's very rainbow coloured. So now's the finishing touches.
Yeah, finishing touches.
After what was 2 hours?
I don't know, maybe 2 hours. Took us a long time. We didn't avoid mistakes. Best thing is to watch the video first and then keep it watching while you're assembling. Depends, because like I said earlier, we hadn't got any experience on building a 3D printer. I only had a bit of experience building up 2D CNC little machine. Just not using it too much because still struggling with software for it. But yeah, we find out if we can use this one in a better way. Yeah, now we're connecting all the motors. Luckily, cables for stepper motors have names on it. Okay, A, X, Y. Aha, so Z is a E, I think. We'll find out in a second. Okay. Oh no, E, maybe E is the stop one, because we need to connect stop one. Where's this is
There's another one over
okay. Yeah, this is the one here. That's the Z axis. and this thing is Z and Z. So this is a 1Z here, which going in here.
The E is for something else because we've already got the Z axis.
This is
X-axis.
okay. This is Z. Is this going? This thing,
Is going for the Y axis.
this thing E, it should goes. No. X. Okay. A bit confusing. So this thing going here. So that's gonna be. Where's that? Should will go. Okay. All right.
So there we have it. The all built.
All assembled. We have a menu here. We have to find out how to navigate through the menu. We have a print. Is that touch screen? No. You have a knob to go through it. Okay. And push a knob down to get into a menu. Firmware version. Contact details. Okay, awesome. Temperature, motion, nozzle temperature, bed temperature, fan speed. You can adjust that manually. Okay, we have to find out how to use it. Yeah, Tony?
Yep.
It's gonna be, that will be another task to do. But I'm happy it's here in one piece, luckily. A bit annoying to assemble that, but hopefully we will enjoy printing some parts for our tractors. I think this is it.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, hope you enjoy.